What is happening, guys? Gary Jahman here, back at it again with a new video. Hope you're doing well, hope you're safe and happy. So this right here is the MEIKE or MEIKE extension tube set if you want to do some budget macro photography. And I wanted to know if this is any good, so we'll find out together. But first, let's do a proper unboxing. Alright, so it's small, compact, and doesn't weigh a thing actually, so it's very lightweight. Feels very plasticky, by the way. And I'm going to test it out on the Sony a6000 right now. So let's put it all together to see how it works. So let's go. Fits perfectly. So you do have a 10 millimeters and a 16 millimeters like focal range or something, or I'm not sure how to say it actually, but you know what I mean, right? So here it goes. Let's see how things are working. All right. So autofocus works. You have to be very close to your subject. First thing I've noticed right away is that you need to be really close to your subject. Okay. So as you may or may not know, with macro photography, you need to have a lot of light in order to get some good results. But this seems to be working pretty fine, by the way. The reason for me for getting this extension tubes is that I didn't want to spend a lot of money, and also to help others with budget photography, because photography is just really expensive, as we all know. And this MEIKE tube set is only 30 euros instead of buying a decent, like a real good, for instance, budget option in terms of macro photography lenses is the one from Sigma. The Sigma 70 millimeters is like 500 euros, 550 euros or so. With that one I had some really good results, but I sold that one because I didn't use macro photography all that often, right? For now then, I really need to have that extra close range for videos, like to get some extra details and stuff. And the MEIKE extension tubes, that was actually a great option. Instead of buying again something for 500 euros, just have something for 30 euros and you're good to go. Here are some more examples. Here are some more sample footage and stuff like that. And for me, it works, but you need to be really close to your subject, and you also need to have a lot of light. So make sure that you shoot in like f8 or 9 at least, up to f16 or something, maybe even less, like f11, f13, and then use a flash or something. Then you get the best results, right? But for video, this can also be helpful. And I also really like that autofocus is still working with this little extension tube. For this kind of money, I think this right here is a really good option to start with your macro photography. Alright, that's it for this video. A quick little video just to check things out. Maybe if you got any questions, then I can help you out with these extension tubes. Let me know in the comment section down below. As always, stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next one. Good luck.